your time off your busy schedules to join us this evening. We hope you would find the sessions we have lined up for you to be fruitful and engaging. Before we going into a very formal proceedings, I've got a small and a tongue twister for you guys. And this is going to be an ice-breaking session in which I would be giving you 2 words and you'll have to just continue speaking. And this is going to be a tongue twister. I think everybody of you can try it. And the words are red bulb and blue bulb. Red bulb and blue bulb. Try பண்றீங்களா?
Red bulb and blue bulb.
இது நீங்க கண்டினியூஸா சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கணும் because this is a tongue twister. Red bulb, blue bulb, red bulb, blue bulb. நீங்க சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருக்கணும்.
Red bulb and blue bulb. Red bulb and blue bulb. Red bulb and blue bulb. Red bulb and blue bulb.
Blub, 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 blub. Okay, here.
Red bulb and blue bulb. Red bulb and blue bulb.
Blub, blub. Red bulb, blue bulb. Red bulb, blue bulb. So.
Red bulb, blue bulb. 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 Red bulb, blue bulb.
Okay, super. That was a wonderful try. So, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for this wonderful person. And நீங்க try பண்ணுங்க sir.
Red bulb, blue bulb. Red bulb, blue bulb.
Blue bulb. Okay, நீங்க try பண்ணுங்க.
இவரை கேளுங்க. இவர் ட்ரை
பரவாயில்ல ரெண்டு பேருமே ட்ரை பண்ணலாம். நீங்க சொல்லுங்க.
திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க.
Red bulb, blue bulb. Yeah.
Red bulb, blue bulb. Red bulb, blue bulb. Red bulb, blue bulb. Red bulb.
Red bulb, blue bulb. Red bulb.
முதலையேவா? Okay, thank you so much. That was a wonderful try. Now, to start with this event, I would like to invite Mr. Pri Krishna Kumar, General Manager, CSB, Dell India, to give an overall introduction to Dell's focus on small business segment. Please, sir.
It all began with an idea to make technology accessible and affordable to everyone. Because access to technology shouldn't be a privilege. Because technology is an essential requirement for human success. Because technology can change the world. 25 years ago, we imagined a world where technology works seamlessly in service of people, enabling them to fulfill their dreams and do more of what they love. And everything we do today is in support of this dream. Our relentless drive to make technology simpler, to make it more efficient, to make it work harder for our customers, to enable people and organizations everywhere to grow and thrive. And because every single person at Dell plays a part in bringing this purpose to life, we can say that today, because of you, a young boy in rural China, and thousands more like him, can realize their dream of an education. Today, because of you, women in Gauteng, South Africa have a chance at a long life thanks to early breast cancer detection. Today, because of you, children in Sri Lanka will not have to suffer the health and environmental effects of e-waste. Today, because of you, a small business is opening its doors for the first time in Calcutta. Today, because of you, technology is enabling human potential everywhere. This is why we do what we do, each and every day. Because when technology works better, in service of people, communities thrive. The world thrives. And so do we.
Good evening. Thank you very much for taking time out this evening and being with us, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. I came this morning from Bangalore, and in the flight I was reading the Times of India. No, after I landed on the car, I was reading the Times of India local edition. And, that's when it suddenly struck me on how technology is transforming lives. I was reading this article, I don't know how many of you would have read this, about how there's a shortage of intensive care doctors, right? Did you read this article today in the Times of India? No, I know Chennai, Coimbatore, everybody reads the Hindu, nobody reads the Times of India, right? Yeah, but this is an article in the Times of India, and that's why I thought I'll share this, because it talked about doctors. There's being a shortage of doctors in intensive care. And intensive care is when you suddenly need to take care of patients, and there are no specialists available in hospitals. So what this Chennai-based company has done is, there are doctors who work 8-hour shifts, 24/7, right? And what they've done is they've picked up 4 hospitals, 2 in Andhra, 1 in remote Tamil Nadu, and 1 in the US. And these are doctors who are then advising nurses and general physicians on what needs to be done for patients who are in ICU, right? So it's purely done through using simple technology, investment of 5 lakh rupees, where they're able to save lives by close to, they said, almost they've saved lives of close, if I remember the number right, 30% saving of life. Because of the fact that through webcams, through using technology, the doctors are able to advise the nurse or the general physician out there as to what is required to be done to the patient at that point in time. And then it was a beautiful idea. I said, look, we doctors don't want to move out of Chennai, but they're able to help people who are there in the rural areas, and all these are rural hospitals, right? So that talked about what Michael Dell has always been saying about, right? Technology is all about enabling human potential, right? That is the one level which is, are you able to hear me clearly at the back? Yeah, okay. At one level, technology is all about, how do you use this as a business transformation? And all of you are here because all of you are using technology to leapfrog your business, right? But the larger purpose, if you look at it, it is enabling or maximizing the human potential. And that's how we at Dell look at technology. Whether it's designing our laptops, our tablets, our servers, or our new Vertex products that you'll hear from my team today, it's all about enabling human potential. So with that in mind, right, we looked into India and said, how do we help in terms of enabling the potential of this country? If you were to look at it broadly, in this country we have, if I look at consumers and households, our PC penetration is only about 8%. If you look at the small businesses, we have close to about 8 or 9 million small businesses in this country. This is as per the Government of India Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Department, right? But people who are using technology is only about, or SMBs who are using technology is less than 3 million. And the definition of the government of using technology is 1 laptop. So if you're using 1 laptop, they assume that you're using technology. There's only 3 million SMBs who are small businesses who are using technology. So we began this journey, and I want to share this. We started in 2008, and 2008 I was part of the Dell marketing team, and we did the first small business series starting from this city. From Residency Hotel is when we started. We said we'll start this journey of having interaction with small businesses. And we are happy to share, and at that point we were number 5 in terms of the preferred brand for the small businesses. Today we are number 1 in India in terms of the small businesses' preference for the brand. We sell the largest number of laptops. We sell the largest number of desktops to the small businesses. That's only happened because of the fact that we have looked into this market and said, how do we work closely? So we have a factory in Chennai from where we assembled our products, and which helps in terms of cutting the lead times. So when we started this journey, we realized that small businesses need faster access to machines. They will buy products when they get their money. As and when the fund is available, they will invest in IT. There is no planning for funds which will come later. So that's when we started to be more, if I can use the word, more channel friendly. Till then we were a direct company. We were not selling to channel partners. So we realized the problem. We realized customers needed help from channel partners in the local market. So we expanded our channel network, right, in the last 4 years. And we have now close to, across the country, about 1,500 small business channel partners who work closely with us to go and service the small businesses. We also have looked at our services portfolio, which again my colleagues will talk about, and customize our services portfolio for the small businesses. So again, it's very customer friendly in terms of what is your pain point and what are things that you're looking for, right? Now why is it important? We talked about these numbers, right? Now it's important because the way we look at this country, there are 2 parts. We say that the more people adopt technology, the more efficient the nation becomes. Productivity levels increase. If you were to look at PC adoption in markets like Thailand, Sri Lanka, right, the PC adoption by small businesses is much higher than what you would find in India. right? I'm not even comparing to countries like South Korea or Japan or China, where the PC adoption is much higher. We see that 1/3 of the global small business is located in APJ. And in APJ, we are focusing only on primarily two big countries, which is China and India. And from an India point of view, if you look at it, we are focusing mainly in what I call the tier 2, tier 3 cities, because most of the small businesses in these markets is where they do not get access to technology, they do not get access to right kind of service. So we have put up a network of sales and support in all tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities, which enables us to address the needs of small businesses. Now, why do we think we are better equipped? Because Michael Dell started this company in 1984, and last year he bought the company back. So I don't know how many of you have read this. Today Dell has become a private company again, right? He bought it back because he wants to run this company again as a small business. So all of us are in the company encouraged to think like small businesses. He has empowered all of us to do what is right from a customer point of view, right? And the first thing which we always realize that small business do not have an IT department. We understand that. The small business has nothing called IT department. The owner themselves is trying to figure out what is required from a business point of view. We realize, if you were to broadly look at it, small businesses and their affection towards technology, I put it into three buckets, right? There are people who say IT is a cost, we'll take care of it later. Only if required they'll invest, otherwise they don't want to invest in IT. They see it as an additional cost. There are other people who say that, second bucket of customers, who say that IT is something which helps in terms of my productivity, which helps in terms of me meeting some of the statutory requirement. So whether it's in terms of keeping my books of accounts, whether it's in keeping my production schedules, IT helps in terms of my bringing in some efficiency and some order to my organization. So that's the second bucket of people. The third bucket of people are people who are more technology savvy or who want to leapfrog, transform their business, and they say, okay, I will use technology to define my own business, and I will want to do something different which can help me, right? So it is in this light that the earlier example of Times of India that I saw, that people have used technology to grow a business model, right? And that is a small set of people who are doing it. So we understand that small businesses do not have time, they do not have money, and they do not have knowledge on what to do. And when they want to buy, they're looking at for somebody who can advise them. Because what is important in this technology field is rapid change is happening. You want to have things which will help you to scale as your business scales. Nobody starts a small business thinking I will continue to be small. Everybody wants to grow big, and we are here to support the growth of every small business into a large enterprise. And in that journey of growth, we are here to partner with you by giving you solutions which are not proprietary, which are not logged, which will not make a drain in your resources. We believe that you should have open, scalable choices so that as and when you scale up, you should be able to decide whether you want to be with Dell or any other brand which meets your IT requirement or your business challenge, right? So with that in mind, we have spoken in the last 4 or 5 years close to, because we also have a direct engine where we talk to customers directly. We speak every quarter close to about 4,000 customers directly. We sell to 4,000 customers directly every quarter. So the last 4 years, right, we have spoken close to about 55,000-60,000 customers in this country and understood what they need. And that's why we are working closely with channel partner community to go and address their requirement. So like we said, we're talking about how do we help in terms of efficiency of the small businesses. We're talking about saying how do we get in terms of scalable technology. And some of the innovative products that you'll see today is primarily designed from a small business point of view so that you don't have to worry about how do you invest today and scale up as your business scales up, right? So overall, if you have to look at it, the way we look at our entire business is 3 buckets, right? We talk about end user computing. The reason we talk end user computing is we are not talking about saying desktop, laptop or tablets. What the business requirement is, somebody in your company at some point in time in the field has to access information in that particular device. So even the field, your salesperson sitting the customer, you also want to know what is this account receivable from the customer, right? So those are practical situations that you want, and we have solutions for that. So we will have the devices, which is a tablet or a desktop or a laptop, but at the same time, we also have software and services which ensures that the data that is being accessed is very secure, right? So we have services which also helps you in terms of managing the entire security of the data and security of the devices, and services along with it. And then this whole solution, how do we deliver to you, is the third part of it, right? So overall, from a Dell point of view, if you were to look at it, what would be your business requirement as a small business, we have the entire solutions today. During the course of the presentation today, my colleague Poojan Chadda will come and share with you on the end user computing in terms of what is there. Then post that, my colleague Prashant will come and share with you purely from an enterprise point of view, the entire range that we have on the server, storage and network. And then the few of our colleagues are here who will be here to help you in terms of understand and see the products, and you can touch and feel the products and ask us questions. And I'll come back later at the end of the presentation where we can discuss any questions that you would have or any suggestions that you would have for us in terms of serving you better. We are very committed to the small business in India, and we've been, like I said, we started the journey from Coimbatore in 2008, and we are very confident that, like I said, it's 5 years journey since we started that, and we have seen great progress, and that's what you're seeing in terms of the shares. We're number one PC brand both in notebooks, number one in desktops, as per IDC, which is a leading research agency, and we are confident that we can take care of your requirements. With that, I would like to just share some of the comments with some of the customers have shared with us. These are customers in India who have been using our products and who have given us positive reviews. I look forward to engaging with you later this evening after all the sessions are over. I'd like to invite my colleague Poojan to come and share with you our solutions on the end user computing. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, a warm welcome and thank you for taking out time from a busy schedule and being part of this event. My name is Poojan Chadda, been with Dell for almost more than 2.5 years, and I take care of Vostro brand for the country. So like what KK just touched based, and even the article example that he gave in Times of India today, technology has actually evolved huge leaps and bounds over a couple of decades. I'm sure because all of us are in business, we are all entrepreneurs. If you go some 10 years back or 15 years back, for us to even interact with our customers, it was a tedious thing. We used to actually dial up STD or ISD to even call them up. Today we have something called email. You just, at a very nominal subsidized cost to us as an entrepreneur, we send across emails and then we get the response there. So that's how the technology has actually evolved, and most importantly, and it has come at a very nominal cost to all of us, because cost actually matters the most in our segment. So in next 10-15 minutes or so, I would like to take you through the end user computing portfolio that we have. When we say end user computing, we basically talk about laptops, desktops, and workstations. On the various brands that we have in India, we have the Inspiron brand. Inspiron is the consumer brand that we have in India. When I say consumer brand, this is the brand that basically the college-going students or people who need to use laptop for their home purpose, this is the brand that caters to that segment of the market. Then we have XPS laptops. These are again high-end premium laptops. I'm sure some of us would have seen reality shows or dance shows like Nach Bali example. If you guys would have realized, you have Sajid Khan and the other two judges actually using XPS 13, which is a flip-flop screen where they give the scores. So that is the XPS laptop we have. Then the third one is the Alienware. Alienware is a brand that we have in the country, which is a gaming brand. When I say a gaming brand, this does not mean that this is used by people who want to play games. This is actually being used by people who actually make games. So this particular brand starts with some basic configurations, even from i5, i7 onwards, and then with high GB graphic cards and all. On the other side, you see these are the business client brands or the commercial brands that we have in India. Vostro laptop desktops, Latitude, Optiplex, and Dell Precision. So in next few slides, I'm going to cover the commercial side of the portfolio that we have. Can we have the Vostro video, please? Yep. So this is the Vostro brand that we have. Proud to share that we are the only OEMs in the country who have a dedicated brand for SMBs. You will have companies in the country who will have consumer products, the commercial products, but nobody has a dedicated brand for SMBs. We also have consumer products, commercial. Consumer, you saw Inspiron. In the commercial segment, you have Latitude, Vostro. The split is only there with us. Again, even from an end customer perspective, if you see, for example, a customer says a laptop is a laptop, how does that make a difference to me whether it's a consumer laptop or a commercial laptop? So one thing that we need to understand is that there are some basic feature differences between both the products. That is why we term it as consumer and commercial. Otherwise, we would have also come out with only one brand. For example, things like you have a 1 gig LAN here, 1 gigabyte LAN, which means, for example, if I have an office, I have 15 laptops which are there in my office. The data that needs to be transferred from one laptop to another, the speed is fast. Then the other very important feature that this has, this has an anti-glare screen. If I'm using my laptop for 7 to 8 hours in my office, which means basically I'm looking at the screen, doing my number crunching, whatever data I have to read on the laptop itself. That has an anti-glare screen which helps in terms of impact to the eyes. Similarly, you have a Inspiron, what I spoke about earlier. Inspiron basically being the consumer, you have a bright view screen, which means when somebody, a home user, maybe some kids in the family or maybe the ladies in the family, they want to see a movie example on a Inspiron laptop. So it throws much more color gamut. So that is one of the key differences between the two brands. Then the third very important other feature is, for example, this particular thing comes with a VGA port. For example, if I have to carry my laptop and go to a customer to give a presentation, I can't take my consumer because at home, there is no need for me to go and do a presentation somewhere. So I can easily connect this particular laptop with all the projectors that are available. So these are some of the unique features that are there from the consumer versus the commercial laptops. Then the other very interesting story that I'd like to share about this is, like KK mentioned, we talked to almost 4,000 customers directly. So there was a lot of requirement that was coming back from us, from customers in terms, you currently give a product which only has a 1-year warranty. What happens to the product after 1 year? Why don't you give me a longer warranty cycle? We said, okay. We introduced the product with a 3-year warranty. Then obviously the price went up. Then some of the customers came back with the feedback, now you've made it 3 years basis our request only, but now it is slightly expensive and over and above my budget. What do? Then we introduced 1 year back, which means as on date, you have both 1 year and 3-year product available. Either you want to buy it directly from Dell or you want to buy it from our channel partners. The same product with 2 different warranties is easily available in the market. And Vostro is the only brand which offers you this sort of flexibility of 1 year and 3 years. No other brand in commercial segment offers you this sort of flexibility. So that is one of the very unique features that Vostro notebook has. Again, also just to share, number one in the SB and the SMB market segment which is there on notebooks. This is how the product looks like. Comes in both 14-inch, 15-inch, available right from entry level, which is a dual core, to a i3 to a i5. Again, goes from 2 GB and then 4 GB RAM. Again, goes from 500 GB to 750 GB to 1 TB hard disk, whatever is the requirement. So available in both, available in the various configs. So basis your need, it can be easily customized and then send it across. Both 14-inch and 15-inch are out there at the display. My request after this session, please have a look. Any questions, let us know. This is about the Vostro desktops. Again, in terms of market share, in terms of the SB and the SMB customers using, most of the customers in the SB and the SMB segment use Vostro desktops. This has some very unique features. For example, it has an integrated Wi-Fi. Then the other very unique feature is you can actually have 2 monitors put into the same CPU. We have kept down the CPU down because of the space constraint. You can have 2 monitors on the same CPU, which means you can have 2 different screens. You have two different data sets there, data points there, and you can refer both the data points and then take whatever the required decision is for the company. So again, that is one of the very unique features which is not available with anybody in the competition. Pretty soon we are launching new series of Ostro desktops in next 1 month or so. This is how basically it looks like from inside. We do have that also back at the zone. So now these are the brands, for example, I talk about Latitude, Optiplex and Dell Precision. These are the brands which are generally used by the companies, for example, like your Citibanks, HDFCs, Tatas, Birlas, and all these big corporates. Can we have the video for Optiplex, please?
The all-in-one Optiplex 3011 is a cost-effective and versatile touch-optional desktop PC with business-class reliability, stability, and management. By design, the 3011 all-in-one conserves desk space, while VESA mounting options and optional wireless accessories allow work from virtually any position. A third-generation Intel Core i3 or i5 processor option boosts performance, while Windows 7 Professional or Windows 8 Pro eases productivity. A 20-inch multi-touch screen optimizes the Windows 8 experience, in addition to 8 gigabytes of memory and AMD discrete graphics. The interactive qualities of the Optiplex 3011 all-in-one are highlighted in collaborative features such as wireless LAN, gigabit Ethernet, high-speed USB 3.0, and an HD camera. Dell Systems management tools assist faster deployment, easy monitoring, and automated updates. Dell Data Protection solutions offer best-in-class security, while Dell Cloud Desktop and Dell Cloud Client Computing streamline management and security in virtual desktop environments.
Thank you. Like I just mentioned, Optiplex, Latitude, these are the brands which are being used by the big corporates. Some unique features, for example, that Optiplex has, it's actually a toolless chassis. I'm sure a lot of us would have seen a CPU which we generally keep down below the table, next to a chair, because we don't want to keep it up on the table next to the monitor. So most of us would have seen we actually need a screwdriver to open these screws from the back and then pull out the CPU, the cabinet. So this has a toolless chassis example. You can easily pull it out. Then again, this particular product comes hard bundled with a 3-year warranty, which is a must need for any commercial product. So similarly, if we talk about Latitude example, some of the unique features that Latitude has, for example, this has a TPM, which is a trusted platform module, which basically is in case you have a multiple branches and you want data to be secured, data to be logged by passwords, you can easily do it. Then something very unique to this particular brand is, which is a vPro, which means, for example, if you have multiple branches within Tamil Nadu or maybe outside of the state, across the country, and sitting here, example, you want to see what your particular employee, example, sitting in Chennai, is actually doing on that particular machine right now. So sitting here, you can have a look at that particular stuff that the particular employee is doing, which also means, for example, sitting here, your IT person, in case you have in your organization, if there is some error or some virus in that particular machine, he can actually remove it from the network so that the entire network doesn't get corrupted. So these are some of the unique features. So that is why I mentioned this, because companies like, for example, Tatas, Birlas and all these big corporates, so because they have offices globally all across the countries, and they need a standardized product. So maybe tomorrow, when we have multiple branches across the countries and the globe, which I'm sure we'll have, so this is going to be the right fit for the product. Then for workstations, again, number one in terms of market share, certified by almost 25 more ISPs, almost more than 100 apps which are already, applications which are already certified in it. Just an example or just a case study that actually tells what this workstation is all about, and then there's no additional thing that needs to be said. All the Sensex or the financial market in Bombay, the share market, actually works on these workstations. We have seen the way the number gets or the share prices go up and down in a second. So with that, we can correlate as to what sort of back-end structure they'll be having in order for them to give that sort of a performance. So their data is being run on Dell Precision workstations. So that is what this particular machine can do. Then this basically slide talks about the touch, like the Optiplex all-in-one that I just mentioned. Optiplex all-in-one comes with a touch thing, which means, for example, a lot of graphics designs in case we need to do for our organization, we have that touch. Because touch is in these days, so we also have a touch monitor, which is their example. I'm sure many of us in the room would even also be having a touch mobile phone. Gone are the days when we had those heavy phones. So everybody is looking at sleek products with a touch thing so that we can feel it. So this is the touch portfolio that we have. So this slide basically talks about the support services that we have. So if you look in the red box, this is the hardware support. So the basic support is, example, what I spoke about, the 1-year warranty and a 3-year warranty that we have. Then a pro support. This is one of the very interesting features that we have in Vostro. A lot of customers came back to us, you give us a support in terms of 9 to 5. Because I am an export-oriented unit, or I have some customers who are overseas, what happens to my machine if my machine knocks off, maybe 10 in the night or 11 in the night? I can't wait for next day for you to come and repair it. So this is basically a 24-hour support, which means you can even call the ISR, or you can call the tech support person sitting on the other side of the phone, call him up, tell him what the problem is, he's going to guide you in terms of how to rectify it. In case it cannot be done on phone, you have a person visiting your place next day. Either ways, we do not want you to physically carry your machine to the next nearest service station, and so it's a waste of time for you as well as if you send any of your other employees. So if the support cannot be done on phone, next day you have an engineer who's coming down to your place and rectifying it there itself, which is the next business day service that we have. Then this is what Dell Pro Support is all about. On the protection services, accidental damage. I'm going on a bike. God forbid I get an accident, or due to some reason my laptop falls off, example. What happens then? My screen breaks off. There's a line in between. Everybody thinks it's a 10,000, 15,000 expense which is ready for us, which is not the case. In case you have accidental damage which is covered in all our products which we sell through channel and even direct as well, which means this is sort of an insurance, which means if anything happens to your product in next 1 year, whatever time frame accidental damage you have bought, that particular damage would be rectified free of cost, which means you save that cost. If anything happens to that machine, we will replace it. So that is one of the very unique features. Then the advisory services, again, one of the enterprise services that we have, where, for example, customers come back to us saying that we want to move from an X platform to a Y platform. Can you help me in doing it? How do I do it so that there is no data loss? So that is the service that we have on that piece. Like, for example, today we go and buy mobile phones. All mobile phones by default today come with earphone, which we say as accessories. And I'm sure most of us would actually also go and buy a Bluetooth headset. So what happens? So which means none of the product today in the industry actually comes without accessories. So similarly, internally we have a different team who takes care of the accessories division. Internally we name them as S&P, which is software and peripherals. So what does this all include? This includes your monitors, this includes your docking stations, this includes your printers, this includes your keyboard mouse in case you need a wired keyboard mouse, a wireless keyboard mouse, a Bluetooth keyboard mouse. This includes various range of backpacks, example, if you want. This includes all your external drives that are there. This includes all your battery adapters in case you want it after some point of time. So all these come under this particular thing, and there's a whole portfolio. You have a very sleek, small projector also that is lying there. I would request all of you to please have a look after that. You can even put it in a bag and carry it to your customer and show your presentation on a small projector in his room. Instead of you have 5 people who are all peeping into the laptop, you can carry that along with you and then place it there. So this is the accessory portfolio that we have. With this, I would like to invite Prashant on stage to take you through the enterprise piece. Thank you so much.
Good evening. Audible? Okay, so we saw clients, and what I'm going to take you through is enterprise. Basically servers, storage and networking, enterprise technology products that are available from Dell for customers. When it comes to enterprise, to deploy enterprise in an organization, it's a very tough decision for a lot of people, especially when it comes to SB customers like yourself, because you have to play multiple roles. You're an entrepreneur, you have a small business, you would be playing the role of the manager of that business, the IT person, the HR, multiple roles that you have to play, and to go in technologically to see what is the right product that might fit you might be a tough decision to make, because these products are very costly. There are a lot of vendors in the market who are there with products. You don't know what is the right product to buy. A lot of complex solutions are available. You're not really sure what might best fit your organization, because these are large investments we're talking about for a small organization. It is complex to deploy. You have a lot of intellectual power that you need to know what is the right setup you need. These are a lot of parameters that kind of make it a doubt for a lot of customers to invest when it comes to enterprise solutions. You need a dedicated IT staff, you need the back-end solution, you're not sure if you invest something in it today, will that be expandable tomorrow? Tomorrow if it grows, then what do you do with it? How can you expand? What will happen to the investment that you made now? So a lot of complex decisions that have to be made, and predominantly because of this, a lot of customers do not think of deploying enterprise in their solution, in their office rather. So the advantage of deploying enterprise, like the speakers before me have talked about, it's about empowering you to go and expand your business. It's about giving you the capability to grow your business using technology, right? And that's what Dell brings to your table. Now, if I look at a standard data center in an organization, a small business predominantly, as per government regulations, we're all aware that a data center, 1,000 square feet is the minimum space required. So a lot of people don't have data centers. They have server rooms, and that's what somewhat a server room would look like. You pick up a small cabinet, and you'll buy your first system, you put it in there. Then you want something else, you put that also in there. You'll have cables running around everywhere. And it's complex, it's not very streamlined, it's not enterprise class. So a lot of complexities. It's hard to manage, you don't know how to run them properly. It's all jumbled up and mixed up. And that is what we're going to kind of change. And I'll be introducing into a very specific product to do that, which will talk about these 5-6 points. Efficiency in enterprise, simplicity in deployment, flexibility, manageability, and still no compromise on the amount of compute power or amount of processing that you can do with those kind of products, right? And I'll be introducing you to a very particular concept. Now, this concept evolved from what we call as a data center in a box. Now, this was a term that was available in the market for quite some time, but then this is a very big stack. It's a 42U rack server, rack solution, costly equipment, multiple equipments already pre-configured, pre-installed, very costly deployment setup to kind of start off with. So we've kind of changed that, and we've kind of made a unique product in the market that will be quite easy to deploy, and I'll be introducing you to that. Can I have the Vertex video, please? So with the Vertex, what we're trying to tell you is we're removing the concept of a requirement of a server room. We're telling you, you don't, as a customer, now have to think about investing in a server room or a data center for that matter. The Vertex, we would like to introduce it as a desk-side data center for you. All the compute power that you would get or require for a standard small business customer, without the complexities of having a data center kind of a setup that is required, which asks for real estate space, which asks for enterprise class precision air conditioning and cooling, a lot of power consumption, technically sound IT staff to manage that. We're removing all those complexities with the Vertex. With 4 server options, server nodes as they're called, 48 terabytes of maximum storage capacity, a 1 gigabit fully manageable switch at the back to give you a fully compute-powered box without the complexity of a data center that can sit by the side of your desk. One of the problems of having a data center is that the reason why you have to keep it in a separate room is because servers tend to heat up a lot. They make a lot of noise, they heat up a lot, so you need a lot of cooling for it, and you need to keep it in a closed room so that somebody can work outside that. This particular box is designed with office-level acoustics, which means that the sound levels, heat levels are well within standard office temperatures and standard office levels. Standard 3-pin sockets are the power inputs that are required for this. You don't require an industrial socket to power out this particular box. 4 compute nodes, 48 terabytes of storage, PCI slots, 8 PCI slots. I'll come into more of why PCI slots and what's different in it. That's what we're bringing up with this box. Standard setup, a lot of individual boxes stacked, like I showed in the earlier picture, as separate units or stacked on racks separately, all converged inside one standalone box. I have the box here on the stall, so once we're done with the questionnaires, I'll be opening up that box for anybody who wants to see it and have a look at the box. We've already bagged quite a lot of awards on this particular box because it's completely unique in the market. Nobody else has a product like this. Nobody else can give you a solution that says, keep it outside the data center. As SB customers, as small customers, we're giving you now the option to go and think enterprise without having the complexity of investing a lot of money on it, as compared to having a standard data center solution, right? I have 2 kind of offerings, 4 compute nodes, 2 kind of servers coming for these compute nodes, each server having 2 CPUs, each CPU going up to a maximum of 12 cores, fully populated, that's about 96 physical cores. 2.5-inch chassis like the picture that you're seeing here, another option with 3.5-inch chassis, maximum capacity of 48 terabytes. Each server capable of holding 768 GB of memory, which is totally 3.07 terabytes of memory, RAM, each supporting DDR3 1800 megahertz memories. A fully manageable layer 2 1 gig switch at the back. So there is no compromise on power, on computational power that your office might require for whatever enterprise solution that you want to deploy. Certified by Microsoft, certified by VMware, Hyper-V, virtualization, whatever you want to do with it. The flexibility has been changed to PCI slots. So now as customers, when you're saying that I have 1 or 2 servers that I want different types of connectivities, I want maybe a 1 gig connectivity, I want a 10 gig, I want a fiber channel maybe, I want a tape connectivity. Depending on your choice of connectivity, you can achieve that by just putting low-cost PCI cards, rather than a lot of vendors in the market offering you switches for it, which are costly for 1 or 2 servers to deploy a switch. We've taken that complexity out by giving you PCI slots. 8 PCI slots available on the chassis, 5 of them low-profile half-height cards, 3 of them full-profile, full-length double-wide cards. Those full-profile cards are capable to even support NVIDIA graphics cards on it. So if you have any multimedia kind of a setup that you want to put up, if you want a small-level VDI setup that you want to put up, this box now without having a data center. Earlier, virtualization was out of the question for small customers because of the amount of hardware that you had to buy. We've taken that complexity out here. Management now. Sitting at home, as long as you can talk to the network inside the office using VPNs or whatever way that you do, you can now manage the entire server sitting at home. You can do installing of operating systems, you can go ahead and create your virtual disk, create volumes, assign them to servers, power them off, power them on. Pretty much any management task that you want to do, you can do it remotely on this particular chassis. I can manage 9 such chassis, even if they're spread across multiple cities, multiple offices. I can have 9 of these chassis managed from the same pane of windows. So I don't need a technically skilled IT guy to do this. It's a small web-based GUI that you get, a graphical user interface. And using mouse clicks, you can configure all these setups, including switch configurations, which earlier is a tough thing. You need somebody who's certified CCNA, CCNP to go out and configure a switch. Pure GUI, very simple. Click, 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 and you're done. It's that simple, right? Just because it became a small box is not necessary that it's only intended for small offices. There are lots of verticals that we target with this box. As long as it's a project-oriented requirement, as long as it is a branch office, remote office kind of setup, this box can address any kind of requirement, basically because I am not compromising on my compute power anywhere. I'm just compromising on the fact that now I'm converging the whole thing into one box now, making it more flexible for everybody. Like I said, it's ready to plug in, easy to manage, quiet, small form factor, affordable, efficient, reliable, and size to scale. So I can buy this box even with 1 server and 3 hard drives. And I can add those servers as and when I grow my business. I can add the hard drives as and when I grow my business. It's not a one-stack box that you have to buy day one, right? And this is not just the only portfolio that Dell has in the enterprise. This is the rest of the server portfolio that Dell has in the market, targeting large customers, small customers, all alike. Tower models, we've got blade models, rack models alike. I have storage boxes, entry-level to enterprise-class storage boxes on Fibre Channel, SAS, iSCSI, whichever protocol that you want to look at. I've got an entire portfolio of networking switches now. I have data center level switches. I have campus level switches for any kind of switching requirements that you have. And then when we say that now Dell has the capability to do end-to-end, we've managed to acquire a lot of IPs with us, and that brings us a whole capability from Dell now to start from planning of a data center or a planning of an enterprise deployment or any IT deployment in your organization to giving it as a turnkey solution for you. Be it backups, be it security with SonicWall, be it cloud deployments using Boomi, anything. Today Dell has the capability to do that end-to-end, right? With that, I come to the end, and we'll move on to Q&A.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you found this evening informative and useful. We would love to hear if you have any questions for us.
Good evening. Before we start, I just want to introduce a couple of people. My colleague Panish, he heads the small business division for Dell nationally. Simran, can I have you here, please? And Vikas. So Simran is our area sales manager for South. It's for Tamil Nadu. She takes care of Tamil Nadu. And Vikas from Sethi Infotech, who's our distributor, who takes care of all the requirements for the small businesses. I'll leave it for you. Any questions that you have for us? Any suggestions? No? Coimbatore has never been so quiet. People always have an opinion here. They always have suggestions. Anyone? Local service support. Contact numbers. So we have a toll-free number. Okay.
I had a problem with battery.
Okay.
Actually, it's a third battery which we are replaced with some other person where I buy it through them actually. But still, I am not able to solve the problem. Means I have to the power should directly connected to the laptop. After that only I can able to work. Even after changing the battery, even the battery life.
Which laptop is this, sir?
It's a Dell. Means I am not too sure of the models and other things.
Okay.
So
I'll give you our colleague's number. If you can just drop a note, we'll take care of it. Right. See, the beauty for Dell is you have a unique service tag number for any laptop.
No, I know that. Means I am not too sure on that. That's why I'm just asked the contact number so I can give a call and I just take those.
Okay, we'll share that number with you.
Dell.
Any other questions? Any feedback? Pricing for VRTX. Prashant?
Like I said, it's a completely customizable box. So it depends on what kind of configuration you take. It can start from 1 server and 3 hard drives to a fully loaded box with about 192 vCPUs. So
Entry level?
I think it starts somewhere about 4 or 5K USD.
2 lakh, 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs, yeah.
Starting price, approximately.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
But the beauty is that, you invest 3 lakhs as you want to scale up, right? It's one unit, you can use it as your business scales up, right?
The advantage comes here is that you're saving a lot on the other factors. Data center, So you save a lot on real estate. Power consumption, cooling costs.
That's right.
So a study done by IDC said that if I can change data center temperature by 10 degrees, I save a lot of money on just the air conditioned power consumption bill. That's the overall return on investment that we take when we talk about Vertex, right? And then you're not telling it's not a stack. You're not saying that day one, already as you grow, you can change. Flexible, configurable, changeable, interoperable. So that flexibility is there. So when we say 2 lakh as a box, when we're talking about saving on a lot of other parameters. If I fully load the box also, I'm using the same amount of power supplies. So power consumption just so that is the whole box. That's a story we're taking now.
Do you have any POS systems? POS, point of sale.
No, we don't have point of sales, no. Point of sale billing solutions, right? You're asking about point of sale billing solutions?
Something to billing.
No.
No need for cold press for server, right? Just ordinary climate is okay.
Sorry, sir?
For the server, we are keeping server. For keeping server is no need for cold place.
You don't need a cold place for a Vertex specifically. Predominantly, all our servers are certified by a particular certification called Fresh Air. What it says is that I can run my servers at 48 degrees for 7 days also without a problem.
We need to buy only for the Dell exclusive service center, exclusive showroom, or we can buy anywhere.
The Vertex?
Not for. I'm asking for the laptop and other things.
You can buy from anywhere.
Can buy anywhere.
Yeah. In Coimbatore, we would have close to about, if it is the Vostro, we should have close to about 20 partners in Coimbatore who are selling the Vostro range of notebooks.
Thank you.
And you can reach out to them for servers. You can reach out to Mr. Vikas from City Infotech for servers. He will circulate his cards to you. So from a Dell philosophy, we are not restricting that you should buy only from this market or that market. We encourage that it's a customer's convenience. So whichever partner the customer is feeling convenient from, the customer can buy. And for that partner, we will enable through our distributor.
Suppose you have
on the servers?
No, with the laptop to the other computer. Is it via internet or?
Pujan, you want to take that question?
Remote controlling the other centers, like the multiple locations.
Yeah.
What's the solution you have? How you are living? How to manage?
So when it comes to remote management, there's a basic funda, right?
You're going to talk about software.
Yeah. So the basic idea of remote management is these offices have to be able to talk to each other in one way or the other, right? So when I say multiple branch offices, the tani LAN irukla, it will be an extended LAN. As long as it's on an extended LAN, means this system can ping that system, simple as ping that system. Then we have inbuilt softwares on all our products that enable you to do that capability of managing them together with the box itself. Adillama tanya software where irukku. We have something called Open Manage, which is a free download software, which will help you integrate all your Dell hardware and manage them from central location.
So everything has to be Dell. The other computers have to be Dell.
Yeah, everything has to be Dell. It will identify the other units as units, yes, definitely. But the capability that I can achieve from my box on that software might not be the capability I can achieve from another person's box. I can link.
You can link that.
You can absolutely link. No, he's asking about remote management. Yeah. Remote control, then you can obviously use communication solutions like Microsoft Link. You can do desktop sharing.
You can share files. What are the normal things that you want to do? If you have 5 officers, somebody wants to share an Excel file, or somebody wants to send one Word document, or you want to chat with someone, different employees have to chat. So very simple software that are available today, which comes with the laptop itself, like Microsoft Link software, which they call as unified communication. So laptops can talk to each other.
TeamViewer, something. TeamViewer.
TeamViewer is different.
TeamViewer.
So these are two different types of concepts. So what Panish sir is talking about is where you want to chat, you want to send a file, you want to do a video chat, things like that. Adukku unified communication solution irukku. Remote management is completely different. Adantu IT, as an IT person, operating system install pannu. Your IT guy is sitting, for example, in Coimbatore, you have an office in maybe Chennai or maybe in Bangalore. Instead of him traveling there physically, or CD எடுத்து போய் install பண்றதுக்கு பதிலா, I can sit in Coimbatore office itself and install the CD always on that system over there. That is the remote management from servers or enterprise or data center point of view, what we're talking about, or even what Pujun was talking about, deploying laptops from an IT perspective. Adu thani. Both are completely different aspects. It depends on what you want to do. It will. That's what I said. So you have to have an intercommunication between the two sites by default. Adu obviously over a WAN link tha irukum, MPLS link la internet link la tha irukum. Internet link la tha irukum. We are not putting any extra hardware to achieve this capability. No. No, the feature is inbuilt. As long as they can talk, that's it. That's it. There's no extra charge, there's no extra software, extra hardware isn't there. If you want a full-fledged capability, we have solutions for remote management. If you have a large branch setup, lot of branch offices and all, we have a solution called Case that can do all that kind of deployment kind of thing for all client machines. Solution irukku, but if you're talking about basic communication, no.
There's nothing which is free. There's nothing which is expensive.
No, not it is free, but what I want to ask.
I think if you compare the prices,
Yeah.
feature to feature, you would find that Dell products always give you the highest value for money. When I say that, most people what they do is, like we talked about, people ask what is the price of Vertex, right? Yeah, if you look at server cost, you will get a server today for 40,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees. Yeah. And suddenly if you say 3 lakh rupees, it's going to be expensive, right? But if you look at it over the cost of ownership, right? The peripheral cost that you're going to do, right? Yeah. Then you will find that this is value for money. But when it comes to laptops, desktops, we are very, very competitive. If you are not competitive, what I showed earlier, I don't know if you were there, sir, the number of customers who are buying us, we are number one in desktop and laptops on the small business. If people didn't find value for money in this country, they would not be buying our products.
No, definitely, but when we compare the same level of the things, it may be 3 lakhs or 30 lakhs, but in 30 lakhs what you are giving and what we are expecting when we are comparing with 3-4 companies, then how you are
Oh, you will find us competitive. Pick up any brand.
Yeah.
You want to, let me take names, right? If you're comparing us with HP on desktop laptops,
Yeah.
or Lenovo with desktop laptops, you'll find us most competitive. If you're looking at servers and looking at HP or IBM, you'll find us very competitive. If you're looking at storage products, looking at HP, IBM and Dell, you'll find us very competitive.
Thank you, thank you.
Right. I won't say cheaper, I'll say I'll give you more value.
Anyway.
Because this country, when you say cheap, people also believe that...
price wise, that's the word, no?
Yeah, no,
Cheap
people
is,
think that we are compromising something and giving cheap.
No.
Right?
I
have a
endorse
little
your
allergy
product.
to the word cheap, but thank you for giving that feedback.
Yeah, the nearest competition was at least, say, your price was 60 and that was about 85K.
Okay.
Very high difference.
Okay. No, we strongly believe, see, one of the things that you should have peace of mind is, what we always say is, you buy the product, but the biggest peace of mind is the after-sales service and support, right? We back our product so much that we are able to confidently give you the support. So that's complete peace of mind. So that's the way we would like to look at it.
I had a problem with...
Sorry, can I just finish this, sir? Sorry, go ahead, sir.
Yeah. I had a problem with my laptop for a few months back. And because of the stickering was not proper, and the stickers was, the numbers, everything has been spoiled. So I was not able to get the actual support from my end. And they told that the stickering was not proper and the numbers have been missed.
Okay, this is a usually unusual case. We have something called a service tag number.
Okay.
And that is usually put in a place where it doesn't usually go away. We can show you how the service tag number is there.
Yeah.
Right? It's an alphanumeric number.
Okay.
We are able to identify not just the laptop, the history of the laptop. The parts which are there in the laptop or any server we are able to identify with that unique service tag number. Right? And usually the service tag number doesn't go. The label that usually goes off is a Microsoft label or an Intel label that we put, which goes away with wear and tear, but usually the service tag number doesn't go. But if you can give me the details, we'll help you on that. Not an issue.
no problem.
Sorry, so you're saying something? Okay. We have partners across the country. The way we work is that we take a toll-free number, we troubleshoot all the problems centrally, and then depending on the need, we dispatch the engineers in the respective locations. Yeah.
Thank you so much. I used to buy, I've been using Dell laptops for like past 5 years now, but it's just a suggestion. Compared to other countries, let's say take US or Singapore, the customization, online customization is kind of less in India. And we do also have to remember that we have got a lot of gadget freaks in India, and I would appreciate if the customization is more and it's flexible.
Okay. I'll take it as a feedback. Thank you. Okay, if there are no other questions, once again, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for taking your time out and coming and being with us today and sharing your feedback. That's very important for us to hear from you directly. All of us are here. We'll request you to have a look at the products and then join us for dinner. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So now, since there are no more questions, I would like to request you to feel free to go through our products which are displayed here. Dinner is also being served in the pre-function area. I would also like to request you that the registration kit has a feedback form. Your feedback is very important to us. Please fill in and leave it at the registration desk outside and collect your goodie. எல்லார் கையிலும் ஒரு registration kit வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. ஸோ அதுக்குள்ள இருக்கிற feedback form எடுத்து fill பண்ணி முன்னாடி இருக்கிற registration deskல கொடுத்தா it would be really helpful. Thank you.